So today I got in the mail one of my newest mechanical pencils. Is the Alvin Ben B lead holder set. So this is just a quick little unboxing just to show you what comes in the package. So comes with an eraser, but it's also a lead pointer. So the pencil is an all metal body construction with mechanical advance. Feels very good in the hand. And it also comes with extra leads. So like I said, this was just a brief, very quick unboxing just to show what comes with in the set. If you have any questions or you want to see a review about this pencil, let me know in the comments.